Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you quickly how to build an SMMA business with ChatGPT AI. Now, there are a couple of things that you can do here for your SMMA business. First thing is using SMMA or using ChatGPT, for your SMMA business, to generate you cold emails, right? You can use that. You can use ChatGPT to generate you a sales script, right? For your sales calls, right? Then you can use ChatGPT for your clients, right? Let's say you're doing copywriting, right? You can use ChatGPT for your clients as well, right? Which is great for delivering copywriting material. So let's do it like this. So let's say you're an SMMA business owner, you're helping real estate agents with TikTok ads, for example. So what we can do is write me a cold email for a company that helps real estate agents generate more leads with TikTok ads. And now it will write a copy, right? Subject, increase your real estate leads with TikTok ads. As you can see, it's writing basically a copy of a cold email. Later on, you can use this cold email to land clients in your SMMA business, right? So this is just a one simple way how you can use ChatGPT for SMMA business. Now let's see what it will do. As you can see, this is basically a way how you can pitch your services. Obviously, it can be shorter. You can say, can you make it shorter, right? And then it will probably make it shorter, right? As you can see, and that way you will get more attention when you're sending cold emails for your SMMA business. As you can see, this is a shorter email, right? You can also say, again, can you make it even more shorter, right? And you get the point, basically. So now the second thing what you can do is you can actually generate a sales script. So let's say create a sales script for a company that is helping real estate agents with TikTok ads, right? And as you can see, this is basically a sales script, right? So, again, this is kind of like cold calling script, right? It's not really a sales script for a sales call, but you get the point. You can get a lot in your SMMA business with ChatGPT, and it's completely free, right? Which is great, right? Now let's stop generating this because this will generate a lot, right? So what we can do is we can say, okay, let's say we're doing copywriting for an e-commerce brand, right? That is selling, for example, pillows, right? So, and we are helping our SMMA company is helping that company with that. So let's say like this, right? Create a product description for an e-commerce store that is selling pillows, right? And it will basically, again, create a product description. The more specific you are, the better, right? Because ChatGPT will actually give you specific examples and specific product descriptions, right? For this example, right? Now, this is just a couple of ways how you can build your SMMA business with ChatGPT AI and around ChatGPT AI. If you'd love to see more videos like this, subscribe down below, leave a like down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.